Live It Like Lisa here, back with another theatre room sign. This is the last one in my whole theatre room series before the final reveal. So I hope you're looking forward to it, and I can't wait to get stuck in. So for this sign, we are going to be starting with this piece of plywood, and I'm just going to be giving it a base coat of some black paint. This is just regular wall paint. I'm giving this about 2 coats as my base, and we're going to be using my Cricut Joy again to create the words and images that I'm going to be putting on this sign. And again, this is a larger than map project, which means the sign is way bigger than a Cricut Joy cutting dimension or cutting space, but I show you how we can get around that. So this is quite a large sign. It's about 80 centimeters long by about 30 centimeters wide. And yeah, Cricut Joy handled it no problem. All right, so while that sign's drying, I've spent a few hours designing what I want to go on the sign. And I didn't show you all of this only because it took me a long time. Not because it was difficult, just for me to determine what font I wanted. So I was spending hours going through the different fonts and, you know, all these little swirl patterns. I was going through all the library to see what swirl patterns I want to use. So this is my whole design that's going to be going on the board. So my board is about 80 centimeters, which is up here. Now, what I actually did to make this easier, I added a square. This is when I was first designing it. And I made the square as big as the sign so that I could then fit all the words onto the square, so I knew they were going to be the right size. So my sign, say, was roughly, I know it was about 30 centimeters wide, and then it was 80 centimeters long. So I dragged this down to my 80 centimeters. All right, so that's my whole sign there. If you go to arrange up the top there, you can put move back, and you just keep going move back until all your images appear on the board. This is just putting this square all the way to the back. Now, it's not going to be set out like this on the board. Like, all I'm doing with this is just making sure, okay, the lettering is going to fit, because I can still move this. So these letterings, they're going to fit. All of that's going to fit. So my free admission was the biggest part. That's definitely going to fit, and that's going to fit. Now, also, I'm an absolute beginner. So there may be way quicker ways to do this. If you're an experienced Cricut user and you can see that I'm doing things wrong, please leave me some comments down below to let me know, or to say, hey, look, I know there's an easier way for you to do what you're doing. I would welcome any hints, tips, or tricks I can get, because I am just learning as I go. All right, so I've made each little section its own cut. So I'm going to get rid of this square now because I definitely don't need it. So yeah, very excited. I am. I'm about to click make it. I'm just going to set my little Cricut up now and get my vinyl out. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I hope this goes right, because this is going to be a lot of vinyl going to waste. So the vinyl I'm using, I'm sorry if this is not great lighting, but we've got the smart vinyl and I've got the 20-foot roll. So that should be more than enough for this project. All right, so inevitably someone's cutting their grass or edges or something while I'm doing my video. It happens every time. So I've welded all my separate cuts now, and I'm going to click make it. Oh my God, I'm excited and scared all at the same time. And what it's actually done, it's showing me the different cuts. So the first cut, it's gonna cut this one. Then it needs 34 centimeters of vinyl. Then the next cut, it's gonna cut all of that in one go, and that's gonna need 92 centimeters of vinyl. Oh my God, I hope this does it right. I'm so scared. Oh my God, I am so scared. Okay. And then it is going to cut that bit next. that needs 65 centimeters, and then it's going to cut that one next, so that only needs 32 centimeters. Oh my God. I feel like I need to just do a practice one first, but oh my God. Shall we just go for it? I can't wait to get these signs finished. And I bet you guys can't wait either. I bet you've been sick of hearing about them. I know I've been sick of talking about them. I just want them done so I can move on to my Christmas stuff. And now we click go. Are you ready? Oh my God. Okay, I'm excited. Go. I don't think you've seen anyone do a Cricut video with this much excitement, have you? All right, so I've done all my cuts. Everything worked out perfectly. Now is the scary time, setting it all out on the sign and hoping I've done it straight. So I've just cut out each individual element and I've just spaced them out where I want them on the sign. And yeah, now we're just going to take all the extra vinyl off, weed it all out, and stick it all on. Woohoo! Now to add the finishing touches, we're going to again distress this sign with a little bit of white paint around the edges. So I'm just using regular wall paint for this, nothing special, just using my sponge dabber to just go around the edges. And I think this just helps to bring the sign alive rather than it looking a little bit flat. Yeah, just adding a little bit of dimension to the sign. And I'll also, from my Cricut Design space, I will save this project and make it available to you guys. So if you do want to recreate this sign, to save you hours and hours going through picking the fonts, if you like this sort of design, I will leave that in the description box below. So you can click on that project and just recreate it yourself. So there you go, guys, another sign finished. I'm really surprised at this little Cricut Joy. Honestly, like I didn't think I'd be able to create projects this big with it, but yeah, it's definitely surprised me and I'm just over the moon with it. I'm really happy with the way this has turned out, and yeah, I can't speak highly enough of it, guys. If you're looking to get a cutting machine, yeah, I could definitely recommend the Cricut. So yeah, this is my last theatre room sign now, and after this will be my whole theatre room reveal. Can't wait to show you guys. I'm not sure what I'm pointing at here, but yeah, I think I was explaining that I was going to put borders around there, but I think I just like it as is. I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It is for free. It just notifies you next time I upload a video so you don't miss it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.